Alright, so this podcast is going to go over optimized scene size, and it's something that's good to run towards the end of your project right before you turn it in. That's because since most of you are submitting online, this will actually go through your scene and get rid of stuff that it thinks that you don't need, and it can help bring down the size of your file. And also, not always, but it may actually get rid of stuff that may corrupt your file. So think of it as minus trash man. So to get to it, let's go to File, Optimize Scene Size, which is right here, and let's go ahead and check the option box. So inside here is everything that anything that's checked on. It's going to go through and double check to make sure that I need it and delete anything that is not needed. Since we are only doing like modeling in this class, no rigging, animation, and shading, lighting, or anything like that, you can get away with clicking everything on. Now, further in your degree program, you may want to be a little bit more selective. So, to run this, we're going to click Optimize. But before we do that, what you typically, before you even run this, you want to make sure that you save a copy first. And you'll see why in a second. So when I click this, we'll get a pop-up that says optimize current scene size. This action is not undoable. So typically, and it very rarely happens, but optimize scene size does its job really well, gets rid of stuff that you don't need, bring down your file size, stuff like that. But that one time out of 100 or 1,000, it may accidentally delete something that you need, and as you can see right here, you can't Z back from it. So it's good to save a copy before you run it and a copy after you run it, and compare them and make sure that everything that you need is still there. So for right now, I'm just going to click OK. So it'll run down the bottom, you'll see like the little slider go by, and now it's done. And if you're curious about what it removed, all you have to do is go down here to the script editor, click that, and it'll actually give you a list right here and tell you exactly what it removes. So right now this is a pretty clean scene. It didn't get anything, but for scenes that you've been working on for a while, definitely it will remove a lot of stuff. So definitely it is good to run right before you turn in. Other than that, that's optimized scene size. Take care and have a good day.